您好，同学们. Today we will learn lesson 7. The title of lesson 7 is 这是谁的狗?这是谁的狗? That means whose dog is this? Look at the key sentence. Number 1. 这是谁的狗?这是谁的狗? Here, 谁的 means whose. 狗 means we already learned dog. 这是 means and this is. So whole sentence means whose dog is this? Whose dog is this? Number 2. 这儿有很多小鱼。这儿有很多小鱼。这儿 means here. 有 means to have. 很多 means a lot of. 小 means small. 鱼 means fish. So the whole sentence means there are a lot of small fish here. Let's learn. Look at the pictures. 猫狗鱼鸟这 photon 这 So that means this. 这是谁的狗? That means whose dog is this? Number 2. 那 So this is also photon, right? 那 That means that. 那是谁的猫? 那是谁的猫? That means whose cat is that? Whose cat is that? Number 3. 看 That means to look. 看这儿 That means look here. 这儿 That means here. 这儿有很多小鱼。这儿有很多小鱼。That means here are a lot of small fish. First one. 多 That means many or much. 很多 means so many. 很多那儿 So photon 那儿 That means there. 那儿有很多小鸟。那儿有很多小鸟 That means there are a lot of small. Here 鸟 means birds. There are a lot of small birds. Let's read. Number 1. 这是谁的狗? 这是谁的狗? That means whose dog is this? Number 2. She is saying 这是我的狗。这是我的狗。Here 这是 means this is. 我的 means my. 狗 means dog. So that means this is my dog. 这是我的狗。这是我的狗。Now the boy is saying number 3. 那是谁的猫？那是谁的猫？ That means whose cat is that? 那是谁的猫？ Number 4. 那是明明的毛。那是明明的毛。 So, 明明 here is name of a person. Name of person. So, here the function of the here is just like apostrophe s in English. So that means Ming Ming's. Here, 那是 means that is. 明明的 means Ming Ming's. Ming Ming's. Mao means cat. 那是明明的猫 that means that is Ming Ming's cat. Number 1. 你看，你看，这儿有很多小鱼。Once again, 你看，这儿有很多小鱼。你看 means you look. 这儿有 means here are. 很多 means so many. 小鱼 means 小 means small. 鱼 means fish. So the whole sentence means, okay, look at over here. Here are so many small fish. Now the boy is saying, 你看，那儿有很多小鸟。你看，那儿有很多小鸟。That means look here. 那儿 means there. There are. 很多 means so many. 小 means small. 鸟 means birds. Small birds. So the whole sentence means, look at over here, look at over there. There are so many small birds.